Start on the main home screen and tap the Tables icon. From the Tables view, select Table 1. In the Table 1 pop-up menu, tap New Order. When the Enter Party Size prompt appears, enter 2 using the number pad and tap Save. On the Register screen, tap Horchata from the item list. In the Horchata Options menu, select the small drink size and tap Apply. A toast message will confirm the item is added. Scroll down the item list if needed and tap Taco Salad, Chicken. In the Options menu, choose Pico, Mild, for the salsa, check the box for sour cream under Add-ons, and tap Apply. Tap the purple Save Order, $22.58 button in the top right corner. An order saved notification will appear, returning the view to the Tables screen. Tap Table 1 again to reopen the saved order. Pull up the Cart menu from the bottom of the screen to view the itemized receipt. Tap the purple Pay button. On the Pay Full Amount screen, tap the Split Amount tab at the top right. On the Split Custom Amount screen, select the Custom button. Using the number pad, enter 1,000 to set a custom split payment amount of $10, then tap Pay. Under the Cash Payment options, select the Quick Pay button for $10. A Confirm Cash Payment pop-up will appear. Tap Confirm Payment. The Payment Successful screen will display $10 paid and a remaining balance of $12.58. Tap Next Payment. Back on the split screen, the remaining balance of $12.58 is queued up by default. Tap Pay. Under the Cash options, select the Quick Pay button for $12.60 to account for rounding. Review the Confirm Cash Payment pop-up and tap Confirm Payment. The final Payment Successful screen shows a remaining balance of $0. Tap Confirm. A transaction success confirmation will briefly appear, completing the custom split payment process.